So in this one, I'm going to make some adjustments to the first floor plan, and then I'm just going to move it up into its position on the Z axis. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to come back to object mode, and I'm just going to move this actually into the center. So there's a couple of things I just want to update. The first is the window positions. So I'm going to select this, tab into edit mode, and if I select these 4 verts here, I can press P and choose selection. Okay, I can select these 4 here, press P and choose selection. Okay, so I'm going to come back to object mode, and I can select both these now, shift select them, shift select this other window object, and press Control J and join them. So I'm just going to tab into edit mode very quickly. I'm just going to press Control R and put in 2 edge loops here, and the same thing here, Control R, roll the mouse wheel once, left click twice. So if I tab back to object mode, I can actually remove this wall material from this object. Okay, I'm just going to come back in here again, switch to face selection and select these 2 faces, press delete and choose faces. Okay, so now it's similar type of shape to the rest of these windows. The other thing I want to do really, I guess, is just select these stairs, press X and choose delete. Select this one, tab in here. I'm going to switch to vertex selection. Select these 2, press GY and snap that up there. Okay, so I have my position and that looks pretty okay. The other thing I want to do is move this first floor into its position on the Z axis in relation to the ground floor. So I'm going to press B for box selection. Select all of this, press 1. I'm going to press G, Z to restrict it to the Z axis, and it's going in the positive direction. So I'm just going to type in 2.7, which is 2.7 meters, and press enter. Okay, and if I switch back on my ground floor plan now, you can see that we have that distance between them, and that's just going to help us when we're doing our elevation for the front and maybe the side, and that should be pretty good for the moment. Okay, so if I come around here, you can see that. I'm going to press A to deselect, otherwise that's going to do it for this one.